As she walks through the park in the dark, her best friend was her own heartbeat. With every little step she'd take, she'd get her one step closer to leaving. Sitting in her kitchen at night, she listened to her washing machine, just wishing that she could leave, but there were so many loads to clean. She could hear it in her head sometimes, like the change she'd been saving in a jar. The chains on the front porch swing were creaking like steps in the dark. One day soon, this is all gonna end. One day soon, oh, maybe it'll all begin. Well, she'd hear it from him all the time. He was the best she'd ever seen. Oh, he'd be stomping up and down the hall, but she could still hear her washing machine. But she could hear it in her head sometimes, like the change she'd been saving in a jar. The chains on the front porch swing were creaking like steps in the dark. And one day soon, this is all gonna end. One day soon, oh, maybe it'll all begin.